Oh, wow. Thôi, làm mấy đứa cò. Defeated a good again.
Oh, fun fact, those are Minecraft walking sounds, and this is proof that Michael and I were playing Minecraft in 2010, so that makes me feel like a real OG. Like, like I was there before it was cool. Bubble is clearer than she normally is there, so we can read through her. Also, I think it's the shortest pre-intro segment to date. Okay, so I guess that's technically 15 seconds.
Hey, Coney, you're a penny. You're worthless.
Okay, I do like the music here. The music is like, it's just so whimsical. Like, it literally is whimsy in its truest form. First ever BFDI birthday ring. I don't know, like, now people think that whenever it's an Officer's anniversary, they have to animate their characters in a ring around the cake. You don't have to do that. I do like that it's become having a trend more people want to try it. But, like, I don't know where we came up with the idea. It does feel very fitting, though. It's like a reunion. I would say that this section here is a testament to my origins on YouTube. So our first ever video on YouTube is the Bebe Squisher. It's a Rube Goldberg machine, which is like a chain reaction